wonder why they left this truck here. I got my exposure up too, so I can see better. There's like a giant rat in here, so...
There's a rat in here?
Yeah, there's a rat.
What about rat? I heard spiders, man. I hate spiders.
I suggested the idea that we would go in the front and see what was there. Based off of this, what do you think this place?
Yeah.
So a hardware store. There's like stuff written on the like shelf. I'm pretty. I searched up like a truck that looked sort of like this. It was like from 2006, so this place was like abandoned during that time.
Too bad it's too big. This is a long, elongated one.
There's a lot of stuff we could get from this place.
It's a lot of stuff I can use.
Yeah.
I need this for the toilet. It's messed up. That's pretty good. Watch your rat jump at it. Ah! Oh, that's what I need.
Huh? So like a bunch. There's probably like a bunch of like expensive stuff here.
Hold it on there, kid. This is what we need for the house. And we got a wrench. Fuck. Well, now I know what to come next time. Get this off. The bathroom.
There's something that there's like a coffee thing over there.
Imagine us walking with all this stuff.
What's in here? Little crevice where the like back door slams down and stuff. Our last one, flexible duct. Hold on. Do I have my camera on? I don't have my camera on. It's too bright. I'm gonna turn up my exposure a little bit today, but you see a lot more.
Did a reverse series. Ferguson Enterprises, 525 Benjamin Way.
Let me see up on this. There's a shovel.
Spore.
Yes.
I'll take that stuff out. Dog shit.
There's like a bunch of parts in here too. There's whatever. What is that over there?
What, this?
Yeah.
It's like a little air unit.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a water thing. Look, they only have a school water fountain.
Alright, so there's a water. Dang.
It's a lot of bathroom equipment. Spider. I mean, spiders. I'll definitely come back and get that.
There's not as many branches. That's why we went this way. Guys. Actually, I'm pretty sure. And then there's like a bucket of who knows what. So I would not spill that.
Oh, look at that spider. What's that? A spider? It looks like a twig. Look right here, climbing. See?
Oh.
One of them bugs, camouflages.
Yeah. So, here's like a truck logo.
Imagine if you find a dead carcass in there.
Huh. I was actually like thinking of we would find one in there. And then there's like the whatever like garage door over here. Yeah, we tried to pry it open, it wouldn't open. Yeah. And then you can see the fence over there. So this isn't very like
if you had a rope or a ladder,
yeah,
you could technically get in there. Climb there.
I'm pretty sure there's like some holes in the roof.
Yeah, because there's a hole in here. You can climb down. Maybe for another day you have to get a piece of board, stick it from there, and put it across and just crawl on the board. Get on the roof. Hopefully you don't fall through.
You probably get some injuries and nobody will help you.
Hey, imagine that. You fall and you get stuck here. You can't get out.
We imagined that, but with that like garage, since there was like a hole in the back that we could probably like stick a rope. Actually, there was a small little piece of like that might have been strong enough for us to climb through. I don't know. The last time, ooh, this brains. I changed like the quality, so this video is gonna be like smoother than the last one that was like kind of janky. And then we go back here. There's like a path. I wonder if they cleaned back here. Or they left it off because there's like trees everywhere. And there's like trash left back through there somewhere. Like, yeah. So. And then there's like the over there. Yeah. We checked back over.
Yeah, came all the way back here.
Yeah, we came back all over here. There's like trash over here. I'm gonna go. Here's some of the stuff. Yeah. Yeah. They could have went bankrupt. That might have been one of the reasons they closed this place off.
House stuff.
Yeah. They abandoned the place around the like the late 2000s, maybe mid 2000s, because in 2005 it shows like people parked here or whatever on like Google Maps, and then we would like climb back through here.
The door open, ain't it?
Yeah, the door's open. We must have left it open. Aw, dang, that. Just to give you a measure, that's how dark it is. And I'm gonna turn on my light. Oh, you can see the holes on the roof. Huh? What?
Mosquito.
Oh.
Scary. This flashlight sucks.
And then there's whatever this is. So it's like
it's a press.
I didn't really get like a good look back over here though. Watch my step. Oh, there's like a. Yeah, you can see where the. Yeah, you can see where the like the holes in the roof. There's my camera light on. There's the holes in the roof. There's really nothing over here except for. And then there's the two garage doors. That must be like. I wonder what these doors were used for.
Loading and unloading.
Yeah, probably.
That's what it's all.
And there's also a thing out there that has basically nothing in it. So this is
exactly.
It's dark in there. It's white. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just step. Doesn't look like it's about to collapse, but it's sure dirty as hell in here.
Oh, they had a shower in here?
Oh, they got a shower in here. This
crazy, like they live here.
Might have been for like like if they got dirty with like ding or stuff. It's like whatever, like parts over here and stuff.
These got a bunch of junk. They're just good for the oil. Or oil change stuff.
Yeah. This might have also been a repair place. What's a tennis smith?
Looks like a press.
Oh.
Looks like an old press to full metal. See that? To bend metal.
And then you can see there's like where they boarded up they probably boarded up the windows. There's a room over there.
That's where we took, I guess, the...
Oh, let me go back.
Stuff over there.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh, that's
Oh, it is a skeleton.
yeah, it is.
What the heck?
I wonder what happened here.
Oh my God, we better get out of here. Was that a cat? A small dog?
There's its head over there, and there's its jaw or whatever.
I think it's a small dog, man. Not unless it's a freaking possum.
It might have been a possum.
Probably got stuck here and died. Jesus Christ.
So, it might have.
I don't think I want to.
Since there's holes in the roof, it might have got up on the roof and like fell down and like died
I
here.
don't think I want to venture anymore. That's scary. Yeah, that flashlight sucks, man. I
Yeah.
had another one that was better, brighter, but that one sucks.
Then who knows what's up here. That seems to be the only place that there's like dead animal parts. Probably starved here. It's been like maybe 2 decades.
He just died.
And then there's this room in
Or
here.
if it was a insect that a big old spider.
Maybe it got eaten up, or like maybe it had injuries when it fell in here.
Oh, there's a bunch of heaters too, man.
What?
Kerosene heaters.
They're
pretty good too, man. Still in good condition.
And then there's like pieces where the roof fell and stuff. Get a little bit of a close look in here. And there's just like a wall up there. And then there's the door. General Electric?
Yes, it's an old refrigerator. I won't open it if I was you. What if something jumps out? Oh, that's 1925.
Want to check the date on them? Check. I'm gonna see if I can find a date on here. Water and like soda and stuff. I'm gonna put this down here. And there's like I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. There's like stuff in there, and oh, there's a shelf with like parts on it here. Undercoat in. There's a tire inflation. So this place must have worked with like cars and stuff and like hardware stuff. Huh?
AC unit.
Yeah.
The vent. They used to, I think they fabricated those boxes.
Here's another look at the skeleton. Step over that. This got this covered machine. I'm gonna get a better look at this closet, and then I'm gonna go into that other room. And then I'm pretty sure that's it. So we got interior filters, so this place, and there's all those things. super bubble. Oh, there's spiders in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, he got stuck. It isn't dead. It just turned off.
Oh. He said bye bye.
Bye bye. Your camera's turning off.
Damn it.
Huh?
Bronze, watch out, man. You're getting stuck with.
Ah, I got fucking stuck.
Good with him. Alright, let's go.
Gutters. Last time we went here, the camera just didn't save like some of the like footage and stuff. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. That would suck. Just whatever that is.
What the fuck? That scared me with your mom. I just see the body.
Oh, when me and Aiden and Levi were over here, Deshaun was over there and it's like, what are you boys doing here? Gotta wash out because this tree fell.
With all them branches and shit.
I ran through here before and like let the branches smack me at
Get stuck.
full force.
You're just so scared you try to jump that fence and get stuck in the freaking water.
Hold up, we should go over there and like, heck, you should go out there and like, and record me on the other side of, yeah, gently, man. Is it, heck, the leaves are coming off and the barbed wire is sticking, hold on, I'm not good at that.